We're going to work this interval out using Simpson's rule to 2 decimal places, hopefully. Hopefully we only need to do 2, 4 and 8. Hopefully don't need to do 16 strips, because you could lose the will to live if you had to do 16 strips manually. So let's have a look at this then. First of all, the integral 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 with these strips would be 1, wouldn't it? And here this would be 0 to 2, but with 4 strips it would be a half. And then 3 over 2 or 1.5. And then the y values we can put in as well, can't we? And then we got 8 strips as well. So let's put them in. So we'll go from 0 to 2 again. 8 strips would be a quarter. I'm writing the fractions, but I could write the decimals just as easily. 7 over 8, isn't it? 6 over 4 is 3 over 2, 7 over 8. So the y values, put 0 in, you get 1. If we put 1 in, we get a half. And then if we put in 2 in, we get a third. Third, 1/3. And then if we put in a half, we get 3 over 2, which is 2/3. And then if we put in 3 over 2, it'd be 5 over 2, so it'd be 2/5. 3 over 2 is 2/5. That just leaves a quarter, 5 quarters, so it's 4/5. That would make 7 quarters, so that's 4/7. 5 over 4, 9 over 4, 4/9. And 7 over 8, 15 over 8, 8 over 15. Just flip the fraction upside down. So there's the input values then for our problems. So first of all, I with 2 strips is equal to the distance over 3. So that's 1 over 3. 1 is the distance. Plus the first and the last. 1 plus a third is 4/3, so I'll write that down straight away. Plus 4 times the odds. 4 times the half. Plus 2 times any evens in between, and there aren't any, because that was y1, wasn't it, here? What do we get then? So we get 1/3 of 4/3 plus 2. This is 2. 6/3, 10/3. 10 over 3. So we end up with 10 over 9. Okay, 10 over 9. Let's just tap that in. 10 divided by 9 equals 1.11. And that was the 2 decimal places. Okay, next one, I4, is equal to the distance, which is a half over 3, which is 1/6. The first plus the last, 1 plus a third is 4/3. Plus 4 times the odds. Now there's y1 and y3. Plus 2 times the evens. And there's the even one, just one of them. y2. Okay, that's what we get then. So that's equal to, let's just write it here. Okay, let's just tap it in the calculator then. 1/6, 1 divided by 6 times bracket. 4/3 plus 4 divided by 3 plus 4 times bracket. 2 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 5. Close bracket plus 2 times a half is 1. Close the bracket at the end. Decimal. 1.1. Which is 1.10 to 2 decimal places, 11 over 10. Now we need I8, which is equal to d over 3. Here we got a quarter over 3 is a 12th. The first plus the last is 4/3 again. Plus 4 times the odds, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Plus 2 times the evens, 2, 4, 6. There we are. Half plus 2/5. close bracket, close brace. So now we can work it out. 1 divided by 12 times bracket 4/3 plus 4 times bracket 4/5 plus 4/7 plus 4/9 plus 8/15. Close the 4 times bracket plus 2 times bracket 2/3 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 5. Close that 2 times, close the bracket at the end. Decimal 1.155 is what I get, which is a bit of a pain. Because to 2D that would be 1.15. Let's just check I've got it all right. I hope I have. So 1 divided by 12, 4/3, oops, plus 4 divided by 3. Is that a 5 or a 3? I think that's 4 divided by 3. 12 times 1 divided by 12. 4 divided by 3, yeah, plus 4 times, that's okay. 4 divided by 5 plus 4/7 plus 4/9 plus 8/15. Yeah, plus 2 times 2/3 plus a half plus 2/5. Everything seems okay there, and that was equal to, and the decimal 1.15 to 1.16. That was to 2D. Now it looks like you'd have to carry on, wouldn't you? Because you're not getting any convergence here at the moment. You'd have to do I16 if you're going to do it to 2 decimal places. I'm a bit disgruntled by this though, so I'm going to check my entries here. Let's just check the entries. I'm going to double check this now. Take a few moments. So put a quarter in, 5/4, 4/5. We know these are alright. And then put 4/7 in. Well, I hope so. Put a half in, 2/3. Put 3/4 in, 7/4, 4/7. I'm just checking them. Put a half in here. Put 1 in here, you get a half. Put 5/4 in, 9/4, 4/9. Put 3/2 in, 5/2, 2/5. 7/8, 15/8, 8/15. And put 2 in, and you get 1/3. So they're okay, it seems to me. Then we'll get D/3, which is 12. 1 plus 1/3 is 4/3, plus 4 times the odds, 4/5, 4/7, 4/9, and 8/15. Plus 2 times the evens, 2/3 plus a half, plus 2/5. Everything seems good. So yeah, we'd need to do I16 and all that, and see if it converges down. But I'm not going to do that here. But this is the principle anyway.